Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Cloudflare error 521. Web server is down. If you're seeing error 521 in Cloudflare, it usually means Cloudflare is trying to connect to your origin server, but the server is refusing the connection or not responding correctly. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on adjusting the SSL and TLS setting inside your Cloudflare dashboard, which can help in cases where the current encryption mode is causing the issue. To begin, open your Cloudflare account home in your browser and sign into your dashboard if needed. Once you're on the account homepage, look for the website where you're experiencing the error 521 issue. Next, click on your sample domain to open that site's settings. This takes you into the management area for that specific domain, where Cloudflare lets you control features like DNS, security, and SSL behavior. After that, move to the left-hand navigation panel and click on SSL TLS. This section controls how Cloudflare connects securely between visitors, Cloudflare, and your web server. Since error 521 can sometimes be related to a mismatch in SSL configuration, this is the area we want to review. Once you're in SSL TLS, click on Overview. The Overview page gives you a quick look at your current SSL mode and lets you update it if needed. This setting is important because if Cloudflare expects a secure connection to your server, but your server is not configured properly for it, the connection can fail. From there, click on Configure. This opens the SSL mode options available for your domain. You'll typically see different choices depending on your setup, and in this case, the goal is to switch to a more compatible mode. Now select Flexible. This tells Cloudflare to use HTTPS between your visitors and Cloudflare, while connecting over HTTP between Cloudflare and your origin server. This can be useful when your server does not yet have a valid SSL certificate installed, or when the current server-side SSL setup is causing the connection problem. Finally, click Save to apply the change. After saving, give Cloudflare a moment to update the setting. Then refresh your website and check whether the error 521 message has been resolved. As a helpful note, this setting can work as a quick fix, but it's generally best to use stronger SSL modes once your origin server is properly configured. For now, though, this change can help restore access and confirm whether the SSL mode was contributing to the problem. That's it. You've updated the Cloudflare SSL TLS configuration to help fix error 521, web server is down.